Hey, what's up? What's up? This your man Orville J. Parker, aka Coach, guys. Welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about how you can raise the funds you need for reselling by working gig apps. If you're a first-time viewer, I want to go ahead and thank you for stopping by my channel. Again, my name is Orville J. Parker, aka Coach. I've been reselling off and on for the last 30 years. And here over the last 7 years, I focused on more apparel, gently used vintage apparel. 95% men's apparel, 5% women's and youth. I primarily sell on eBay, where I'm a top rated seller. I've ran my business as a very part time side hustle over the 7 years. Up until 18 months ago, I was a production supervisor for a manufacturing plant. Had worked at the plant 11 years, worked in management for 9 years, ended up walking away, escaping the 9 to 5 grind, came home and started me a small logistics company where I do last mile delivery for Amazon and Walmart, Spark, and then I resell also. And but to be honest with you guys, man, in the last year I hadn't touched anything with my reselling outside of shipping orders. Hadn't done any listings or any updates to my store or anything like that. I was focusing on developing out a piece of software that I was working on and some other projects. And I'm just now getting back into reselling. And so yeah, and so my store over the last year, based off of what I did in 2023, sold an average of 5 to 15 items a month without me doing anything on it all year long. And so I'm excited to get back going. But anyway, one of the ways that I know that anybody can go out here, if they're short of funds and raise capital real quick, is by working gig apps. We're talking about Uber, Uber Eats, Uber Delivery. We're talking about DoorDash, Walmart Spark, Amazon Flex, Instacart. All right, and this is the reason why I say this is because those apps allow anybody to be able to go in and to immediately make money by trading time for dollars. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to sell anything, you don't have to ship anything. All you have to do is go do whatever that particular gig is telling you to do, whether it's deliver a route, deliver a order, um, and you get paid instantly. Now, most of them pay instantly. Right now, I am signed up for Amazon Flex. I'm signed up for Uber. I'm signed up for Walmart Spark, Instacart, Shipped, and DoorDash. Now, the ones I have done in the past, I've done Amazon Flex for almost a year and a half. I've delivered over 16,000 packages for them. Here, Walmart, I've been working with Walmart over the past year, and I've been heavily focused on nothing but Walmart for the last 2 months. And I've done Instacart and I've done Shipped. And right now I deliver on an average of probably about 10 hours a day. And then what I do is I jump and I work on my other side hustles, like what we're talking about right now, which is my buying and selling. Again, I wasn't working on this in the past. I just started working on this for now. But anyway, yeah, the reason why I say gig apps, man, because again, once you get signed up and once you get in the apps, you can go out, and if you're low on money, you have a lot of time most of the time. All right. And you can actually go out and trade your time for money. Then take that money that you make off the gig apps and go invest it in merchandise to flip. And this is how you make more per hour. Now, follow what I'm saying, guys. Like you might go out with the gig apps and make $15 to $20 an hour. All right. Let's say you do that a couple hours a day. And let's say you take that 30 to 40 something dollars and you bring it back home and you accumulate it over the week. At the end of the week, you have another $200, right? And then you take that $200 and you go out sourcing, whether it's to the bins, garage sales, thrift stores. You go out and you look for merch to be able to flip. You buy it, then you list it, right? Then you flip that. So that original 20 or 40 could turn into hundreds and even thousands of dollars by running this kind of play. And every time you need money for more inventory, you don't have to take it out your budget. What you do is turn on the gig app, go do a couple of gigs, make the money, then fund your sourcing with gig apps. And it's a very powerful thing. And I tell everybody, if the strategy is to sign up for as many gig apps as you can, get in there and work the apps, get get a profile on there, build up some history with them. Then you could turn them jokers on. One of the things that's one successful strategy with gig apps is to do what we call multi-app gigging, is to be working off of, like, say for instance, if I'm doing Walmart Spark, I could do Walmart Spark, Instacart, and Ship at the same time. Have all the apps open, right? So if I get a Walmart Spark delivery, then I jump and do that and pause the other ones. But when I'm done with that, if I get an Instacart delivery, I pause the other two, go do that. So you always have three chances of making money every hour. And it's a beautiful way. And I know with Instacart, Walmart Spark, Amazon Flex, and Shipped, all of them cash you out instantly. All right, all of them cash you out instantly. So you can literally go do the work, be done with it, and make that money. Let's say, for instance, like Walmart Sport, that's the one I focus on now. All right, I could do what they call a shop and delivery. I go in, shop for the order, which might be 15 to 30 items, bag it, put it in my car, drive it, drop it off on the customer's doorstep. And as soon as I get done, that money is instantly in my account. Instantly. I could do that again and then take that money and go to the bins and go buy me 20 items with that $40. All right. With that $60. All right. That's how powerful this is. And when you do this, then you literally have created your own funding sources, and you don't have to take any money out your budget. Now you're mitigating your risk, because now everything you investing has come from you hustling, not coming from your budget. So if you don't generate the level of profit that you want off of what you're flipping, or if it takes you a little bit to get the money back, you're not stressing over it because it's not coming out your budget. You're taking idle time that you'd have spent watching Netflix, playing video games, do whatever you do, and you turn that into cash, guys. And this is a strategy that you can get going with today. I mean, if you're registered to the apps already, go do a gig, man. Go do some deliveries. Go do some shop orders. Get that money. Bring it back. Go invest. Look on Facebook Marketplace. Find you something that you could buy low, sell high. All right. Go to the Goodwills. Go to the bins. Go to the garage sales. All right. But this is a very solid strategy for anybody who don't have money or anybody whose budget's tight. Sign up for the gig apps. Make the money with the gig app, invest it into the product, flip. All right, go reinvest, flip. All right, very, very powerful strategy. Orville J. Parker, aka Coach, I'm gonna go ahead and get off this video. You guys have no excuses, man. You have no excuses. Between the strategy I gave you on my recent video when I was saying how you can start a reselling business after job loss, and this strategy here, you have two very effective strategies to get started today with reselling. I'll catch you guys on next video. God bless.